Sipping on back from the legs, say something. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit one, I never had shit. Bitch, move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost me the loss, never really gon' play shit. Got me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the plate, no fake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I press to the damn all day. Sticking up sides, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no beat. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. For the week, yeah, making my life, thinking this right. Switching and missing the point to the light. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for a fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm so low. I walk with your flow. So take money from the heart. Bitch, you won't back what you paid for. Swing it down, no other way. Take a dip in the glass shade. I come with the landscape. I run with the wrong day. Tell me bitch that I wait outside. Tell me shit that I never hide. Take it down with no side to side. Break down with no shit to try.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a really great time. There's no way that I can express to you what I'm feeling right now. My heart is full.